नमस्कार नमस्कार. नमस्कार. Okay, today I will tell you about Maxima and Minima. Okay, and because I yesterday I told you to explain you about Maxima and Minima. So let us start. Now a function now. See, first of all, if the graph is like this, can you see here or not? Okay. So at this point, maxima is obtained. At x is equal to a, for example, this point is x is equal to a, at x is equal to a, maxima is obtained. That means here the graph increases and attains the maximum and then decreases up to this point. And at this point, the graph attains minimum and then further it increases and attains maxima at this point. Okay, so increases means the in this interval the graph increases and in this interval the graph decreases and then increases and then decreases. That means in between this to this the derivative is positive. For increasing the derivative is positive. Clear? And in this interval the derivative is negative. And again the derivative is positive. That means if the derivative changes from positive to negative at a point x equal to n, that means at that point at x equal to n the graph attains maximum. If the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative, here in this interval the sign of the derivative is positive. That means dy by dx is positive because the graph is increasing, and this in this interval dy by dx is less than 0. That means at x equal to a the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative. If the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative, then maxima is obtained. Clear? And here the derivative is negative because the graph is increasing, and then in this interval the derivative is positive. And if the derivative changes from negative to positive at a certain point, then at that point the graph attains minimum because negative to positive it changes sign at this point. Remember, the sign of the derivative changes, not y. If the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative at a certain point, then at that point the graph attains maximum, and if at a certain point the sign of the derivative changes from negative to positive, at that point the graph attains minimum. Clear? And this is a very easy concept. Okay. And see here. Another condition is that at x is equal to c, under what condition the derivative, under what condition the function attains maxima and the function attains minima? If f dash c is equal to 0 and f double dash c is less than 0, then the function attains maxima at x is equal to c. First derivative equal to 0 and the second derivative is less than 0. At a certain point, then at that point the function attains maxima. And if the first derivative equals 0 and the second derivative is greater than 0, then the function attains minimum at this point. Okay, see here, I am doing some problems so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay. Yesterday I have already told you about increasing and decreasing. Have you done all the problems or not? Hello? Have you done the problems or not? See here, one question. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 15. Yesterday I have told you about increasing and decreasing. Have you done or not? Okay, see here. What is f dash x? It is 6x square minus 24x plus 18, and take 6 common, it will be x square minus 4x plus 3, and again if you factorize this one, it will be x minus 3 into x minus 1. Okay, now f dash x equal to 0. First of all, you have to find out at which point the derivative vanishes. That means you have to find out the points where the derivative becomes 0. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. That means there are 2 points where the derivative is 0. This is minus infinity, this is infinity, and 1 and 3 are the 2 points where the derivative is 0. Sin of dy by dx. Okay, so this is the derivative of f, 6x square minus 24x plus 18, and here the sin of x square is 6, which is positive. So this one is positive, this one is negative, this one is positive. And at x is equal to 1, the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative. That means that x is equal to 1, maxima will be obtained. I have told you, if the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative, then maximum will be obtained. And while passing through x is equal to 3, the sign of the derivative changes from negative to positive. That means that x is equal to 3, minimum will be obtained. Okay. So at x is equal to 1, maxima is obtained, and the maximum value is equal to, simply put x is equal to 1 in the given function. You will put 1, that means maximum value is equal to 2 minus 12 plus 18 plus 15, and that is the answer. Okay, you can write the answer. And at x is equal to 3, the sign of the derivative changes from negative to positive. You should test, or you should move from left to right, not from right to left. While moving from left to right, if the sign of the derivative changes from negative to positive, then minima will be obtained. Minima is obtained, and the minimum value is equal to, put x is equal to 3 here. So 2 into 3 cube minus 12 into 3 square plus 18 into 3 plus 15, and you can calculate that value. It is clear to you or not? Is there any doubt in this problem? You see here, another question. X cube minus 6x square minus 36x plus 2. What is f dash x? 3x square minus 12x minus 36. So simply take common 3. X square minus 4x minus 12. Clear? Now 3. And if we factorize this one, it will become how much? 6 to x minus 6 into x plus 2. So it will become x minus 6 into x plus 2. Is that clear to you or not? Now, f dash x equal to 0 implies x is equal to 6 and minus 2. That means there are 2 points where the function is 0. This is infinity, this is minus infinity, this is minus 2, this is 6. Now sign of f dash x. Here the sign of x square is positive. So positive, negative, positive. And while passing through x is equal to minus 2, the sign of the derivative changes from positive to negative. That means that x is equal to minus 2, the function attains maximum. Okay. So here at x is equal to minus 2, f attains maximum, and maximum value is equal to, put x is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 6 into minus 2 whole square minus 36 into minus 2 plus 2. Clear? And at x is equal to 6, f attains minimum, and minimum value is equal to 6 cube minus 6 into 6 square minus 36 into 6 plus 2. Clear? Is that clear to you or not? Actually, today I am not feeling well. And since I have posted to take the class, that is why forcibly I am taking. Because I am not feeling comfortable. So, with these two problems, today I am ending the class. And tomorrow I will take the class. Okay. And tomorrow I will do some much more interesting problems on maxima and minima. Okay, very interesting questions I will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you all of you, and good night. Okay.